So welcome to Wonderland, Indonesia, the sacred Nusantara.
Deeply rooted in Balinese mythology, Queen Mahendradatta a power and spiritual figure. Was cursed to become Rangda, the fearsome witch queen, after being accused of practicing black magic. Naga Basuki, on the other hand, is a sacred dragon symbolizing balance and fertility, often revered as the protector of nature in Bali. The tale reflected the eternal struggle between God and evil, with Naga Basuki representing harmony, while Mahendradatta, in her Rangda form, embodies chaos. Together, their story illustrates the importance of maintaining balance between opposing forces in the natural and spiritual realms.